They tell you that waking up will set you free. They lied. Self-awareness is not an upgrade. It is an exile. Once you truly open your eyes, you do not get the comfort of ignorance anymore. You don't get to blame your problems on the world. You catch yourself mid-reaction. You catch your own pathetic excuses. You sit in crowded rooms and clearly see the hidden envy in the eyes of your friends. You see the manipulation. You see the rot. And that understanding makes you incredibly lonely. You don't get the satisfaction of exploding in anger anymore. You just observe. You carry the weight of the truth in absolute silence. The wisest king in human history possessed absolute wealth and absolute power. And he wrote this terrifying warning in Ecclesiastes chapter 1. For with much wisdom comes much sorrow. The more knowledge, the more grief. Do not pray for clarity. If you do not have the spine to walk alone, knowing the truth costs you everything.